Hi guys, Kale here from Northwest Safe. Our inventory is jam-packed right now and we need to do some spring cleaning. What better way to clear out our inventory than to give away this Liberty 24 rifle safe? To get your name on this guy, we're gonna have a little competition to see who can guess how many safes we have in stock right now. To give you guys a fair chance, we're gonna take a quick stroll through our warehouse and out on our showroom to give you guys a fair shot. And that's just about it, except we can't forget about the 3 full containers we have outside. That gives you guys a quick overview of our showroom, our warehouse. In order to win the safe, read the instructions below. We look forward to seeing all your entries.